All right, that cut off at 15 minutes. Just restarted it there. So we'll continue where we were. So your heart sounds are normal S1, normal S2. Didn't hear any extra cardio sounds. No murmurs, like I said. Regular rate and rhythm. Your peripheral looks fine. Normal color, pink. I'm going to go ahead and listen to your carotid artery for Beruis real quick. Can you lift your neck up just a little bit? Okay. All right. That's normal. Can I see your fingers real quick? Check your circulation. Okay. All right. Capillary refills normal. Well, let's do your assessment, then we can put that on.
Okay.
Okay. You're going to just go ahead and look at your abdomen here. Don't see any lesions. Don't see any masses. It's symmetrical. We'll lay you down flat here.
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and listen to all quadrants. Okay, I'm going to listen to your aorta. Listen for any bruise. Okay, don't hear anything. We go ahead and percuss. Okay, tympany throughout, and that's normal. Go ahead and palpate your abdomen here. Tell me if you have any pain. Light palpation first. Okay. Deep palpation, feel for any kind of masses. All right, great. That's symmetrical. I don't feel any masses. All appears normal. You can go ahead and throw your shirt back on. We'll sit you back up here. Change the clothes here. All right, we'll move on to musculoskeletal. Stand if you want. Perfect. Go ahead, check your shoulder joints. Able to move your arms back and forth, down, side to side, no pain. I'm going to go ahead and feel here. All right, go ahead and just move that arm around. You pain? I don't feel any crepitus. All right, how about your elbows? Okay, go here. Okay. I would do both sides typically, but for time, I'm just going to do one. Okay. Wrists. Okay. Move your wrist again. Great. Don't feel any crepitus there. Okay. Let's have a seat on the bed. I'll look at your knees. Go ahead and just move your knee back and forth there. Okay. Go ahead. No crepitus. Do your ankle. Go ahead and rotate your ankle. Great. All right. Go ahead and lay all the way back. We'll check your hips real quick. Okay, go ahead and bring your knee up towards your abdomen. Okay, and rotate your knee over. Okay, do that one more time. Just gonna kind of feel here. Don't feel any popping, no crepitus. Okay, all right. You go ahead and I'm gonna check your pulses in your foot here. Okay, pop that shoe off for me. Feel your post-tibial pulse here. 2+, that's great. Dorsalis pedis pulse here. 2+, that's great. Put that shoe back on. I have to push. There we go. All right. We'll check your coordination. Take your thumb and just touch all your fingers. Great. All right. Can you put your palms on your legs there and flip them to the back side and then do that real fast? Great. All right. I'm going to have you hold your arms out, and then alternating each arm, I just want you to touch your nose. And then close your eyes and do that. Great. All right. Now, can you take the heel of your foot, put it on your knee, and run it down your shin? Okay. Other side as well. All right. Now we'll go ahead and just check your reflexes. We'll start with your bicep here. Don't have a reflex hammer, so you can use the back of your stethoscope there. Okay. Brachioradialis here. Okay, and then check your knee real quick here. Patella. Okay, all right. That's great. All right, there's actually a tricep as well. You can just relax your arm. Put your arm out like that. All right. And do you have any questions at this time?
Mm-mm.
Okay. I don't notice anything abnormal. Everything appears normal to me. One thing I forgot to ask you, do you smoke at all?
Mm-mm.
Okay. How about, do you drink any alcohol?
Socially.
Just occasionally?
Yeah.
Okay. Never had to go to any kind of treatment for alcohol? It's never disturbed your life or anything like that? Okay. Any illicit drugs like marijuana or anything like that? How about caffeine usage?
Minimal.
Minimal.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Well, that I think wraps everything up. All right.
Perfect.
Thank you.